Welcome back to my YouTube channel. What if one child did 100 challenges? Well, we're gonna find out today. So, recently I'm charging my iPad, so I have to do this in the kitchen. First, can I hit my head and then will I cry? Is it bottle? No, it's... No, the chair. Ow! That hurts! So bad. Oh my god. Oh, I think I got a bruise.
Yes.
Yeah. I think I got a bruise. This is how long I can go with my iPad. Go more. Okay, so now recently you know what? I'm gonna charge it somewhere else so you can see better. Wait. But stay tuned. Oh, come on. Okay, we're gonna go. What should I charge? This might be a good place. Try. Oh my god. Give me a second. Charge. Okay. Ooh. Now it's charging. The second challenge. Hit the hand. Break this. Okay, wait. Come on, baby. Help me, baby. Break this thing. Yeah. No. Oh, Okay. No, not gonna work. If I had a knife, which I have, but will not works. I'll be right back. You might have heard noises, but look, not that much. Oh wait, why is it so dark? Oh, it got unplugged. Son of a nutcracker. Oh God! God! Ow! That hurts so bad. Come on! Can I charge it somewhere? No.
You can put the switch.
I can't switch it off. I'm filming a video. Oh no. I don't know what to do. Okay. Here's what. I have to get to the light. Darn light. Okay, is that better? I'll do part 2. Bye.